Toby is very fond of small babies, and this baby is also enjoying Toby's presence. Toby is so happy, and so is this pup. Look at him. He's smiling. Look at him. Not at all scared. His parents will be just so happy. So this socialization is so important. The baby is getting socialized from this puppyhood, so he will have no problems mixing when he is once adult. So that's what I tell the parents. Socialize your pup from puppyhood. Look at him. Look at him. So he is here for quite 14 days. So obviously more updates will be given about him. Look at this. A collar has been put around his neck. Every puppy has to be given a collar. The reason is very simple, because so many big breeds are there. So when other babies they eat or they have their food, so this baby has to be separated. He has to be just put on a thin leash for that time being, because if he puts his mouth in others' food, maybe they might get aggressive. So for that reason a collar has been put. Only those time we leash the baby, and when everybody is finished eating, then again the baby will be open. So that is the only reason we have put a thin puppy collar around his neck. So it's a great responsibility keeping so many babies in a creche and returning them with full of health, no scratches, nothing, and they return back home happy, healthy, cheerful.